just thought of why don't we introduce each other, right? Because we need to know where our which class he or she reads in, from which school, and etc. Just like how we introduce ourselves with a person we getting to know for the first time, right?
Yes.
Alright. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to give a little example of how we can introduce ourselves. So we can introduce ourselves by mentioning our name, right? Because you need to be identifiable, right? So you're going to say your name, just like I'll say my name. So I'll say that my name is Adiba Islam Turi, and to speak about what I do, I'm a teacher. I teach at base camp, and I'm your instructor. Alright? And if you ask me what's my favorite thing to do, my favorite thing to do is to eat. Trust me, I love to eat. I'm a foodie person. If you take me out to eat, I'll be convinced. I'll make sure that you're my best friend for the rest of my life. But you have to continue to treat me well. With food and of course with your behavior as well. So speaking about behavior, I'm sorry to jump off to an off topic, but this is something we have to mention in our class, is that we must speak in English all throughout the time during this premises, and you have to make sure that you are always respectful with your words, behavior and actions to whomever you speak to, okay? If you're speaking to your classmates, make sure you address them properly, saying Apu or Bhaiya. Understandable? Doesn't matter if that person is your batchmate or younger than you or elder than you. Okay, this is something that we expect us to do. Alright? So, let's move on to the track. That's how we are going to continue introducing ourselves with our new friends. Alright, everyone? Understandable?
Yes.
Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. So thank you all so much for your patience and listening to me.